So guess what I found on this tree a couple of weeks ago? If you guessed bananas, you're right. If you want to know what I took from that tree yesterday, here's the answer. These are the bananas from this tree. And then over there, you can't see it, there's another tree just like that. And this morning, I cut this from it. We have bananas. And they're green, really green. We opened up one yesterday and it was just terrible inside. But a few days in bags or inside, and they will become luscious. We picked some little bitty bananas a couple months ago, and when they ripened up inside, they were luscious. So there you go. I guess the theme song for the day is Day-O, Day-O, the daylight comes. Oh! And that's it. So if any of you have a desperate need for bananas, you know where to come. Bill and Flora's house. Because we got bananas. Isn't that nice? Real bananas off of two real banana trees. Can you see inside? Isn't that? Okay.